and today is snowy. He's very flexible.
Yeah.
He's hard. Welcome back to Muppet Mayhem, and today we're going to be an Olaf puppet. And if you like our videos, subscribe down below. Today we're working with a very big Olaf puppet for all you toys and lovers out there. He's about 2 feet tall, and we're going to figure out where to put the handhold. We're thinking of putting it right here. There's a seam right here that we're going to use our seam ripper to make a hole the width of your hand. Take out some stuffing to put a pathway to his mouth, but he's really stuffed, so yeah, you might have to take out a lot. You'll have to take a lot of stuffing out of his mouth right here to get access to move it. Use a poker to put a hole in his wrist for the arm control rod. If you want to know how to make an arm control rod, watch our other video, how to make an arm control rod. And that's how you make a perfect Olaf puppet. These the bugs. Because you know I didn't like bugs. So make sure you subscribe and like to our channel. I'm melting.
Let it go, ain't hold it back anymore. Let it go, and the pocket full of doors.
Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment as to which puppy you'd like to see us make. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Thanks a lot.